Hey, yo, what's up everybody? This is Huey and we're back with another video, and today I have a strategy that I personally really like and I want to share it with you guys so you have a great time trading. However, I checked the market today and the market is super volatile, so I don't know how long I'm going to be trading. First thing we need is two moving averages for the strategy, so I put one at 6 SMA period. We change the color to something that is visible, so yellow here. And the second one, let's change the second one, is going to be 14 SMA, and the color, let's go with blue. Now that you have set up moving averages, we're going to need one more thing, and that is parabolic SAR. So let's go to edit and change the acceleration to 0.3, and then change the color to white and increase the pixels. So basically what we're going to be looking for is we're looking for the cross, and here we have exactly that. And also we have parabolics are printing us two dots below, so that means we're taking a 1 minute long position. You can trade with this strategy. I would advise to trade anything up to 2 minutes. However, I think that 1 minute is probably the best for this strategy, so do whatever you prefer. However, my advice would be to stick to 1 minute chart. So basically we had a cross. The yellow line crossed the blue one from below, because 6 SMA is what we're looking at mainly here, and the cross happened from below, and also the dots were printed below the candlesticks, so that means we are entering a long position on this trade. Here we have 15 seconds left, so let's see if we manage to secure this. This is pretty much the entire strategy. Parabolic SAR is just an extra confirmation. We already had a strategy where moving averages crosses were triggering our entries. So there it is. As you can see, we secured the first option, but this is a little bit different since you have that extra confirmation, so that makes it a little bit more safe. Now let's proceed and try to find another entry. Let's go. And here we have another possible entry. As you can see, we have two dots printed below the price action, and also we had a cross it, but you can see how volatile the market is right now. You can see there are multiple crosses on 1 minute time frame, which means that market is extremely unstable right now, and it is a bad idea to trade in such a market. So if you trade with this strategy, make sure you have a more or less trending market with some clear price movements, because if you have like a lot of crosses like here, you can see that there's multiple crosses on like 10 minutes period. There's like 5 crosses, then your signals, they kind of lose value. Like the crosses kind of lose value. Here I entered because I actually saw a small uptrend forming after the cross happened, and also we had a parabolic SAR print us the dots to indicate that we should enter a long position, and here we are securing in 1 second our money. There it is. And guys, I want to remind you that if you want to learn more strategies like this one, you should absolutely join the free signals group. It is available for free, and you can find the link to this group in the description below. So hurry up, proceed, join. You don't have to pay anything. There's a lot of information that can help you really build up that confidence when you're trading yourself, and give you a lot of useful tips for you to start making money on your own. Also, you're gonna have access to free signals in this group, and if you want your trading performance to look like this, make sure to hop in. And of course, my biggest advice would be actually joining the private trading group. This is where you get access to full trading sessions with Neos. He's giving all of the signals himself, and you're basically just trading alongside of him, following his signals. So you're really onto that winning path with this. And of course, once you join, participate in the giveaway, you can win $100. If you're low on deposit, you can put those towards trading. All you need to do to participate is subscribe to our YouTube channel, watch a video from start to finish, leave a comment, and leave a like. And of course, we also have a trading robot, and it is absolutely killing it right now. We do videos for you weekly, so you can see how good it performs. As you can see, there's only 2 losses in an hour time frame, which means that if you were trading right now, you would be profiting. But now let's get back into trading, and let's see if we can squeeze a few more wins out of this strategy. Let's go. And here we have another entry. Once again, you see we're entering a little bit late, even though the cross has just happened. The parabolic SAR has already printed 4 dots below the price action. However, your main indicator for entry is the cross of the lines, and then only you look at parabolic SAR, and if it confirms the entry, then you do take the trade. So we are easily entering here, and if you can see, the market is in shambles. It is crazy. I'm probably gonna do like 2 more trades to see to try to make a little bit of money, but I do not advise to trade in such a market. You have to be aware of what's going on the market, no matter what you're doing. If you're trading with robot, if you're trading yourself, if you're using strategy signals, whatever you do, you have to be aware of the situation on the market and if it's the good time to trade or not. And right now is definitely not a good time. However, we still managed to squeeze out some money out of this with this strategy, but yeah, this is pretty crazy. Like look at this. Like this is like almost every pair looks like this. Like the price just moves in a range. There's a lot of crosses, like it goes up, down. It's just basically a crazy like consolidation market that is not going anywhere. So let's see if we can find a few more entries, and then of course we'll call it a session. Let's go. Actually, we don't have to go anywhere. We have a perfect textbook example entry here. So we're gonna take a 1 minute long position. The parabolic SAR has just printed us the first dot, and we also just got the cross. So we are confident with this entry. And also we have a bullish engulfing pattern forming on this one. It's not a big deal, because to utilize bullish engulfing patterns, you kind of need to have support and resistance levels drawn, and we don't have that. So don't pay attention to support to bullish engulfing pattern. However, pay attention to the indicators that you have set up, and that is moving averages and parabolic SAR. It is not looking great so far, and this is really the downside of the volatile market. As you can see, sometimes it does not work out. However, we still have a chance to, maybe there's last push that's gonna bring us to victory here. Yes, no, yeah, it seems like we are taking a loss, unfortunately. But as I say, in market like this, it is not guaranteed for you to win. So we're 3-4-1 right now, and let's see if we can do one more entry, and I'm going to call it a session. So let's skip right ahead to the next entry. Let's go. And here we have sort of a late entry on this chart, but we're gonna take a 1 minute short position. The cross has already happened, and the parabolic SAR has printed us, and we're also in sort of downtrend here. But it is still insane how crazy it is, and how crazy the lines crossing all the time. So this is not, of course, a guaranteed win here, but it should be pretty decent, and we should be able to secure, since we are already in the downtrend. The strategy itself is really simple, and we already had, as I said, a similar strategy to this, and the only addition to this strategy is really parabolic SAR. You can of course add an oversold and overbought indicator, maybe stochastic oscillator, just to see. Even RSI will suit this strategy. So you can try adding those indicators and seeing how it will perform with this other 2-3 indicators. But for now, it seems like we are able to secure another win. And actually, you know what, I'm gonna actually do one more entry just so we secure at least like $2,000 this session, because otherwise I would not be happy with just because it's Monday, and on Monday we usually go hard, and this is like, Monday is the best day to just pump full speed and try to get as much money as possible. And here is another entry. Parabolic SAR printing us, telling us that we should enter, and the chart as always looks crazy, but parabolic SAR printed us the dots above the price channel, sorry, not the price channel, the price action, and we also had a cross happen. However, this is a very sublime cross, because we had another one happening just before that, and it didn't affect the price movement in no way, shape or form. So this is risky again, but we take those risks, and hope for the best. This is all you need to know about trading. You have to manage the risks and you have to manage your money, and then believe me, you are going to be good. So here we are, 10 seconds left on the clock, and it seems like we're actually going to secure this. So yay for that. Just great. So all in all, it was a decent session. I think I could have made way more money with the strategy. Like, we had 5 wins and 1 loss. It could have been way better, but it is what it is. Guys, once again, join our private trading group if you want to start making money. The spots in this group are limited. However, you can get in by just sending me a message saying I want to join team. Hop in, join our trading sessions today, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.